didn't start the year so hot. It happened New Year's Eve. I went into town trying my new wheels. It was raining, it was cold, and my hikers decided to fail on a turn on me, and my car decided to go all over the place. Fortunately, I kind of knew what I was doing, so I put the car into a slide and I missed the curve just by that much. If not, my whole bumper, bottom, like all underneath would have kind of fucked up. Excuse my language, but yeah, so it's my fault for not doing the hikers delete when I bought the car. Now I'm paying the price. So the car's been sitting for like 22 days, whatever days. Today's what, the 20th, 21st? Can't remember. No, I'm sorry. Today's the 24th. What am I thinking? Anyway, so yeah, guys. So this was my New Year, I guess, present. Damage to the skyline. No. I will post a video so you guys can see how the road is, so you guys can see like exactly what happened. But yeah, guys, there's not much damage. It's just the fender, the light, the bumper broke. That other wheel is curved. Probably gonna have to replace all wheels. I did see a little bit of damage on my skirt, on some of the ends over there. It looks like it cracked. But other than that, I did have some slight damage on the oil pan and a little bit on the subframe. But I mean, that's not too big of a deal. But yeah, guys, so as I was going into the highway, I was turning and I felt my rear end just kick, and it turned and it just got the car sideways. So on the on-ramp to the highway, I'm literally drifting the whole thing until I was able to clear enough space to make not hit the curve, and that's when I went off-road, and it was muddy, it was wet, there's probably icy on the road. Hiccups decided to not work properly, and yeah, guys, so that's what happened. Like I said, it could have been worse, but I saved the day, I guess. Alright, guys, anyways, enough about the skyline. I will make another post, more details on the skyline, but for today I do have something special. It is my lady's birthday. It's coming up in like 2 days, and I got something for her. She did take the Mustang. I told her I needed the truck to go pick up some stuff for the house, so we're gonna do a install on the exhaust or muffler delete. Yeah, guys, so let's do an unboxing and let's get to it. So let's make some noise. Alright, guys, so here it is. It's the Carven progressive. I can't remember. Is it progressive? I think. Anyway, so here it is. I mean, it looks amazing. Comes with clamps, comes with stickers and instructions. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna pull the skyline out and bring the truck inside the garage to get started on this. Alright, guys, update on the K20 as well. I got it all put together. I got 4P oil pump. Now I'm having a bit of issues with the clearance since I am running ARP main studs. I have to kind of like shave some here so you can clear the studs on both sides, but that's for another episode. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. I got the truck inside the garage, close to the garage, and yeah, it's time to get to work. So, let's see. Yep, it's back there by that other wheel. I'll get a couple of flashlights, get it back down there, and let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so there it is. Gotta undo that clamp. And then the two down there for the dual exhaust. It is a 15. But before we get to do that, I'm gonna unhook it from the hangers. Let's see. Let's find the hangers there. That one right there. And then there should be another one back there. I'm gonna undo those and then gonna unbolt it. Got the clamps unbolted. All I gotta do is just wiggle the muffler out and it should start coming loose. So let's get to that. Alright, so I got it all out. It did require a lot of wiggling and shaking to get it all out, but it came out. It took about 10 minutes side by side. As you can see, the big difference. And of course it is lighter. There you have it. I'm gonna install the Carven exhaust now. But before we do that, you know we had to get a sound clip without the muffler. So that's what it sounds like without the muffler. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Damn guys, it sounds fucking amazing. I'm inside in the garage, so it sounds better, but I'm gonna pull it out and let's see how it sounds. This is a full start. As you guys can see, it's starting to idle down. So let's pull it out and let's see how it sounds. Guys, so there you have it. It's still getting warm. So we're gonna let it get warm and do a couple of revs when it's warm. But it sounds good, really good. Alright guys, so we're gonna go out for a drive, see how it sounds. Sounds pretty quiet. I mean, it sounds stock actually inside the cabin. You can hear a slight rumble to it. It growls. It growls really mean. I can notice throttle response. It has a lot better throttle response. Sounds good, real good. It spins the tire with traction control. It wants to go sideways. Overall, the install, I give it a 1 star out of 5. 1 star being like the easiest you can find or you can do. For the price, I think it's amazing. 300 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that. Let's downshift. But yeah, guys, I like it. 300 bucks, can't go wrong with that. Man, she handles real good. That was about half throttle. I wasn't going all the way. Back roads. I bring the Skyline back here when I'm doing suspension adjustments, but lately there's been like, yeah, look at this, horrible. Oh man, that is horrible. If you guys want information on this intake, watch one of my other videos on the install. So there she is, guys. It's a 2017 1500 Ram Hemi. I just like saying Hemi. Look at that. Boom, 5.7. Idles real good. It has a nice curl to it. Alright guys, so stay tuned for I got some parts on order already. Stay tuned. The Skyline is gonna change like literally overnight. It's gonna look amazing, so stay tuned for that video. I'll talk more about the Skyline. But that concludes today's video, guys. If you liked what you saw today, don't forget to smash that like button. if you want to see some more content, some more cool videos of installs and performance. I really haven't had the opportunity to go out racing and all that stuff, but soon to come. Stay tuned. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys on the next video.